Oh, wake up. It is 6 o'clock. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Brazil! Beach parade right here.
Oh my goodness! It is only 6 a.m.
As we ARE in Brazil.
Your teeth.
And sunscreen. The Brazil sun is strong.
Today will be amazing.
Sun, sand, and a little adventure. I can smell food already. That is your imagination, Leo. No, my nose is very smart. I hope they have bread.
Good morning. Welcome. How many today?
4, please.
Right this way.
Look at the ocean!
Wow, it's amazing. Let's sit here.
The buffet features a wide selection today. Please enjoy.
The buffet sounds perfect. Thank you.
Today we have fresh fruit,
Eggs.
eggs, and Brazilian specialties.
That is
Pão de queijo.
Brazilian cheese bread.
This is so good. Fine. 2,
2.
and then 5.
Gently squeeze right there. That's it, you've almost got it.
Keep trying. Fresh tropical fruit. Very Brazilian.
No.
Fresh mango juice from a real mango.
From a real mango? It tastes like sunshine. The bread is called pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo. Pão.
De queijo.
Yes. Perfect, Mom. I know. I will eat everyone's share.
This is a good breakfast.
The best.
Delicious. Really delicious. Welcome to Brazil. Enjoy your day.
You finish it.
Beach time! Beach time! Beach time! Beach time!
Well, kids, we finally made it to Copacabana.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Ooh, this feels nice. Ow, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Yes. The Brazil sun is strong.
Very, very strong.
Look, those mountains. That is Sugarloaf.
Sugarloaf? Like the bread?
That is Cristo Redentor, a statue. On a mountain.
That is very high. I've never seen so many umbrellas.
Look, they're playing volleyball. Can we join them?
Here, closer to the water.
After we set up. 2 minutes.
1 minute?
2 minutes, Leo.
Last one in is a rotten egg. Wait for me! They are having so much fun. Is the ocean cold? I don't know. Let us find out. Cold. Cold and amazing.
That is the Atlantic Ocean saying hello.
Hello, Atlantic Ocean.
Good morning. Fresh coconut water?
Very cold. Yes, please. How much? It might look strange, sweetie, but the most delicious water is hidden right inside here.
Inside? Really? How did it get in there? We would like 4 coconuts, please. Coming right up.
Then you are in for a surprise.
And cold. And light.
Light? What does light taste like?
Not heavy. It tastes like summer. Nothing beats coconut water. By the ocean.
I made it up. Coconut water explorers, finish up. Walk in slowly. Feel the water first. Small waves only, Leo. Here comes one. Jump!
No! Ready? Yes. Okay, go. Again. I do that. Of course you did.
Of course you did.
I love the ocean.
Me too.
Me 3.
All of us.
I am not finished with the design yet. You have to follow the blueprint. It is fine. Watch this. Tall towers here. And here. And a big wall all around.
You can dig the moat.
It will be the castle door. Use wet sand, Dad. It is stronger.
Good tip. How do you know that?
I just know things. No. No, it is artistic.
Very artistic.
Very artistic. We are good. We are very good. The ocean will take it back, Leo.
We have the memory. And the photo.
The photo. And the photo. We did a lot today.
We had Brazilian breakfast.
Pão de queijo.
We swam in the Atlantic Ocean.
And built a castle. Promise?
Promise.
Brazil loves you back, Leo.